Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we talk about Bitcoin. We're going to show you the Bitcoin chart, some things we've been watching, things you need to be very, very careful, and make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment what do you think. Okay, now let's talk about the Bitcoin. Now look, you're going to have a death cross now. Okay, this is a daily chart. A death cross is coming, okay? Death cross is coming. Now you need to be careful. You need to be careful from what you're watching out there, all the moon boys, the baboons you are following, because they're all going to get wrecked, okay? I will explain to you why. Now they will tell you, hey, this is the death cross, this is bullish. Okay, last time we had a free death cross this cycle, it was bullish. And it's true. It's true, man. The death cross here was bullish, okay? It marked the low. Okay, marked the low, you had a rally. The death cross here marked the low, then it went sideways and had a huge rally. Alright, and as well here, the death cross here, this is 2023 September, marked the low, kinda, went sideways and exploded. But again, what they're not telling you, these clowns, okay, because they are only making, getting clicks and loves and likes for bullish videos. That's what they do. That's all their existence. These people are perma-bull. They will tell you only bullish stuff, which is very, very dangerous in market tops, which we believe that the market has topped for Bitcoin. Now, look, you're gonna get a death cross now, okay? You might even get a death cross bounce or a retest, or maybe even it will take the high. I don't think so, but anyway, whatever. Now, the difference between this death cross and the other three death crosses, happened inside the Bitcoin bull market, okay? Bitcoin bull market goes on average 3 years. 3 years you get a bull market. Then on the last quarter of the third year, it usually marks the top. And the next year, the fourth year, bear market is coming. Bear market is crashing crypto. That's what happened in the last 12 years, man, or so. And we follow the charts. We follow the history. We don't believe the clowns on X. We're going to show you the clowns on X. It's pathetic. Now, this we think was the top, and the death cross you're gonna get now, the death cross now is inside the downward trend, which could be very likely the Bitcoin bear market. Okay, remember the last Bitcoin bear market triggered in early November. Okay, early November it triggered. You had a double top. That was it. Okay, that it started in early November. We believe the Bitcoin bear market started again. That's what we believe. We might be wrong. We might be completely wrong yet. It's not confirmed yet, but it's getting there. We believe the Bitcoin top was on October 6th or so on this candle, okay? Anyway, you had a triple highs, a triple top. You had a major top here, structure a distribution range. You broke down, you're making lower highs and lower lows. We believe the bear market started here for Bitcoin crypto, and Bitcoin is probably going to like 15,000, to test the bull market lows in 2026. That's what we believe. Maybe even we'll take the lows. We'll keep you posted. But again, these people that telling you death cross is bullish, yes, it was bullish, but now it's a different timing. It's a different timing. Remember, we're gonna go into the fourth year of the cycle. Very likely you're gonna see a very strong bear market. Nasty bear market. That's what happened all the time. Okay, now look at this. By the way, the Bitcoin whales are selling. Okay, this is a chart. You can follow it on X. Follow me on X, man. This is a chart I saw on X. This chart tells you, hey, the OG whales are dumping. You can see this is all the OG whales have been selling through all 2025. Okay, they have been selling dramatically, like a lot of Bitcoin. We're talking about whales from the beginning of this, the early cycles of Bitcoin, the 2014, the 2012. These are whales like with massive billions in Bitcoin, and they are selling. You can see the chart here is very colorful, like this guy is saying. This chart is very colorful in 2025. OGs are cashing out. Now the moon boys, they are telling you that they are buying. The whales are buying. Look, where is the I'll show you. Look at this. This guy. Okay, what's this guy selling? This guy saying they're selling. Okay, that's good. This guy is cute. Follow him. Ted. It's very nice. But again, all the moon boys, they tell you, look, this guy is calling, he's saying he's not selling. Okay, this guy is insane. Phase E confirm. Okay, this guy is insane. He is calling for upside targets. This guy is insane. Now he looks like he's changing his mind for distribution, but he already got everybody he's following wrecked. Okay, you get major bullish. Look at this guy. Bitcoin loves to fill the gaps. Okay, he's calling for a gap fill and a moonshot. To 150 or whatever he's calling here. Remember, man, you need to be very careful now. Okay, you need to be very careful now with Bitcoin, because if you look on the year, okay, on the year, Bitcoin is down for the year. Okay, this is 2020. Look at that, sir. This is very important for you to understand. Okay, this is newbies, dummies TA. Okay, very simple. Look, this was the December 2024 107. Okay, this was this January 2025 top 107. You had a consolidation here, you had the support here, it lost the support. So basically, Bitcoin went up a little bit temporarily for the year, but now is down for the year. This is horrible performance. They're calling for rotation from gold to Bitcoin. It's total nonsense. They're saying to you Bitcoin is the best thing in the world. Maybe, but now it will go on a bear market. It should go on a bear market. And you can see it lost this critical level, sir. This is no joke, okay? This is no joke, man. There is high risk of a bear market now to come, okay? So you really need to be very careful. You need to be ready for it. Do not hodl coins into a bear market. It will cook you alive. Get yourself Bitunix account with the link below. You have a tutorial in my description. Just go to the description of any video. You have a tutorial on how to use Bitunix. This is the best exchange to short crypto. You can short all crypto. There is no KYC needed, no VPN. Unbelievable exchange. The best exchange. They also give you amazing deposit bonuses. Look at that. You deposit, you get 700 bonuses, man. You have a lot of competitions of bigger bonuses, man. This is unbelievable exchange. Get yourself an account now before they terminate this campaign with the link below. And yeah, man, just to sum it up, man, like really, this is not looking good for Bitcoin. Okay, again, you gotta be careful with all the nonsense and the toxic YouTubers and moonboys that you're watching, because they will tell you what they want to hear, that what they want to see, that Bitcoin is going on an extended cycle, Bitcoin is going to the moon, Bitcoin blah blah blah. But you need to be accountable, because you can get a major collapse in Bitcoin. And if you look on the history, it is very likely to get a major collapse. Now look at that, it's breaking down this uptrend from August 2024. That's not a good sign. You can see Bitcoin going into this range, the 74K level, 4K level. Easy peasy, it can happen in November, man. It can happen in November. It can get a big smack in the face. People are not ready. You don't want to be like the herds that get in slaughter, sir. Get yourself an account on Bitunix. Learn shorting. If you want to join our VIP, click on the link below. Join our VIP, man. If you want to get all my trade alerts, join CMVIP. If you want to get lifetime membership, you can drop me an email. We also have it on the first comment. If you want to pay with crypto, if you trade with big amount, check out Elite VIP and book a call with me today, man. This is urgent. Crypto is going to trigger a bear market very soon. It looks like it's already happened, and you need to be ready. You need to be ready for the bear. It's not a buy the dip strategy. Really, all these clowns will tell you, hey, it's the best dip in the world. They're gonna make you buy dips now, but the dips will just keep getting deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Right, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.